Hello, good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming to today's meeting. We will be discussing our new product, I am Geprek Team 5. First of all, let's get to know the product. It will be presented by Mr. Genta.
Hello, thank you, Mr. Romi, and thank you for everyone who wants to join this meeting. Let me talk about I'm Geprek Team 5. In my opinion, I'm Geprek is a combination of fried chicken and traditional chili sauce. Many people talk about ayam penyet and ayam geprek are the same, but for me, ayam geprek is totally different than ayam penyet. Ayam geprek that we sell is more complex because it consists of various Indonesian herbs and using chicken breast fillet. And for the spice, we use such coriander, hazelnut, turmeric, galangal, bay leaf, shallot, and garlic. We use a perfect spice for the ayam geprek. And we can also combine some of the chili sauce of traditional chili sauce from Indonesia. We can combine it with the chicken. It's like ayam geprek sambal mata, ayam geprek sambal hijau, and then ayam geprek sambal terasi. I think it's a good combination. After that, we can use the topping. For that chicken, it's like a cheese or salted egg. Cheese or salted egg is a good idea. Besides that, we also prepare package menu. The first one is the package number 1 is rice and chicken. And number 2 is rice, chicken, and chicken skin. And number 3 is rice, chicken, tofu, and tempe. I think 3 package is enough for the menu. This ayam geprek is served on woven bamboo that is covered with the rice paper. If customer want to lunch in our restaurant, after that ayam geprek that we sell it have 3 different level. Level 1, level 2, and level 3. Level 2 is medium and level 3 is so spicy. I think that's enough. Anyone? Any suggest? Anyone?
Okay, does anyone have any questions or suggestions for the product?
Thank you, Mr. Genta. I agree with your idea. I think to combine your product is a good idea, and I hope that can become advantage of our product. That's me for your suggest.
Thank you, Mr. Hans.
Okay, next is the price of the product. I've done some research on restaurants selling ayam geprek also. So I think the main ayam geprek should cost around 15,000 rupiah. And the packages, as mentioned by Mr. Genta, should be the package 1, which consists of rice and the chicken, should cost around 20,000. Package 2, which is rice, chicken, and the chicken skin, should cost around 25,000. And the complete package of package 3, which is chicken, rice, and tahu and tempe, should cost around 28,000. And I think we should also sell drinks there, like teh botol or fresh tea. And we should also charge for extra sambal, which should cost around 5,000. I think it's a fair price. Anyone have any suggestions or comments of the price?
I'm agree with your price is more cheap for our product.
Yeah, I
Okay.
think the price is cheap for a student. I think it's a good idea.
Okay, thank you for your input. Okay, next is the location of our restaurant, which will be presented by Miss Anissa. Miss Anissa, you can go on.
Thank you. The address of the geprek chicken is on the street Grobogan, Airport 4, and Hamlet 2, Urban Village Kuto, Subdistrict Kerja, Regency Karanganyar, and Province Central Java. Then, how to get chicken geprek is chicken geprek can be obtained through online delivery service such as GrabFood and can go to chicken geprek outlets. If of Wonder Brick, keep going until you see a straight light. Once you see a straight light, go straight for another 20 meters. You will find a chicken shop geprek on the corner. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the descriptions. Next, Mr. Hans will present the promotion strategy for our product.
Thank you, Mr. Rami, for your opportunity. Before we discuss about type promotion, we must to know strategy of effectiveness of our product. At now, we have four strategy for our promotion for effective product. There are customer promotion, trade promotion, sales force promotion, and business promotion. I will explain for each other. The first is customer promotion. The objective of customer promotion is to invite our customer to buy our product. And the second is trade promotion. The objective is to distribute our product selling into the company. And the third is sales force promotion. That's an important step for promotion for motivate selling company that can increase selling. And the last is business promotion that have objective is to get a new customer and sustain interaction and communication of customers. So we can sustain selling more and more again with a new customer or our old customer. So the conclusion then the type of promotion strategies for our product are the first is advertising. It is a promotion method that using media or invite customer to buy our product. At this type, we can use social media, for example, YouTube, or for other example, Instagram, Facebook, or many more social media we can use. And then also we can use television or radio and other media which effective to our invite customer. The second is direct selling. It's the step of our direct explain our product to customer. At this step, we can create some exhibition in the town halls or park house at Grobogan area or mall is to do it for direct selling. I think that's a method we can explain our product to customer with effective. And the third is publication. This step is to pass the customer request with commercial content by medias. Maybe we can endorse national actress to help us publication. For example, we can use Luna Maya or Nela Karisma or Andre Taulani. I think they are the most famous actress now, and I hope with the help we can help our product for publication. And the last is self promotion. In the step, we can push the customer to buy our product by booth or by if open at some event. We can join to some event, for example, music event or theater event or many event in our areas to self promotion. That's my idea. And can you suggest for me? I'm very welcome to your suggestions. Thank you, Mr. Rami.
Okay,
Uh,
yes, go ahead, Mr. Genta.
I think Luna Maya is good for endorsement, and I think social media is offers many benefits to our restaurant. It's a good idea. Social media is a good idea.
Thank you for your suggestions, Mr. Genta. I will do your suggestions for calling Luna Maya. How about Nela Karisma, Mr. Genta?
No.
No, yes.
Luna Maya is better.
Luna is
Yes,
better.
I think
Okay,
so.
okay.
Lunamaya is better for our endorsement.
Okay. The last agenda is the other restaurants that also sell our competitors, which will be presented by Miss Ajeng. So how is it?
Okay, thank you, Miss Romi. I'm sorry, Mr. Romi.
Nice, okay.
Well, for the sale of ayam geprek in 5, we have the various kinds of promotion that have been suggested by Mr. Hans. We know that in most cities in Indonesia, there are many fast food stores such as ayam geprek. For example, geprek bensu, geprek Pak Gendut, or others. Therefore, we must improve our sales strategy by holding various kinds of products updated to deal with increasingly sharp competitors. And the most important thing is testing our products so that our products can be more attractive to consumers. We must make sure that our products have high quality to consumers because the most of consumers prefer to buy products that they think are unique and taste is good. So even though we have a quite high competitors, we still to be first choice of consumers because we take the importance of quality and different taste. I think that's enough for me. And any suggests me? Anyone?
Okay, any input, everybody?
I'm
Suggestion?
agree with Ajeng. It's good idea for our product.
Okay.
Okay, thank you,
So, yes, thank you. In conclusion, I think myself and Mr. Genta, we should finalize the menu of the product that we're selling. And Miss Anissa and Miss Ajeng can prepare our restaurant location. And I think Mr. Han should start contacting Miss Luna Maya. Yes, or maybe her agent.
Okay,
So
I will do it.
okay, we should be selling our product very soon. Okay, everyone, thanks everyone for coming to today's meeting. Good evening.
Good
night.
evening,
Thank you.
Mr. Romi. Thank you.
Thank you everyone to
Thank you.
join the meeting.